Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing the 12 Days of Beauty Ulta Advent Calendar. So if you want to see what I got in my Advent Calendar for the month of December, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like looks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so notify whenever I upload, and if you can like the video if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. Alright, so there's a look at the advent calendar from Ulta Beauty. It does come with 12 days. I did already unbox this on my TikTok just to let you guys know, so I'm not going to be so fully surprised in this video, but I think you guys are really much going to enjoy everything that I got in this advent calendar. This did retail for about $20 on the Ulta site. I did get it online. I did see it in store as well. I showed it to you guys on my Instagram and my TikTok as well in my find, so if you want to see that, that's over there. But yeah, let's unbox this and see what I got in my advent calendar. This is so adorable. I love the layout and I think they did a really good job with this. Let me know if you picked it up down below. But we are going to be unboxing this whole thing, so if you don't want spoilers, definitely don't watch. But yeah, so adorable. Let's get into it. I love that they made this look like a little pizza. The first slice is day number 1. So there's a look at that. Again, I did already open this, so there's some tearage, you know, from the box. Some of them did come rolled up in some kind of tissue paper, and those were the products that came with like eyeshadow or whatever other powder product. So this first product in here, let's take a look. Let me open it. So day number 1 is a lipstick. How adorable is this packaging? I love the dark pink kind of vibe. That's part of the reason why I picked this advent calendar up, is because a lot of the products in the advent calendar, a little spoiler alert, even though we're going to see everything right now, is that a lot of the products do come with that pink kind of packaging, and I love pink. So I forgot to mention I am wearing my cozy PJs, because we did just do a cozy Christmassy kind of video using the Grinch eyeshadow palette that I picked up from Target. So adorable. And I did use a bunch of other like pinky kind of makeup and stuff. I do have some Grinch lashes going on, so we did film that video, so that's up already. It's going to be linked down below. So the first product again in this advent calendar is a lipstick. I love the fact that the packaging is pink. So cute. It is that plasticky kind of vibe, nothing too like, you know, and it's not going to feel like an expensive kind of product. And then there's a look at the lipstick. This is so cute. I love this color. Definitely a more neutral kind of vibe. And there's a look at that lipstick. Next we have day number 2, which looks like that. Again, I love these little boxes, and they made it look like a little pizza. So cute. So this first product is an eyeshadow duo, which looks like that. Again, I love the pink packaging. This one here is in the shade Spacey and Galaxy. So it comes with 2 eyeshadows in here, which is so adorable. This little packaging is definitely giving me vibes of the Dollar Tree eyeshadow singles that I purchased a while back. It's such a cute little vibe. So it does come with 2 eyeshadows in here. Again, this one here is in Spacey and Galaxy. So there is a swatch of this eyeshadow duo. So pretty. I'm not really feeling the blue in here, but that neutral kind of shade is really pretty. Next we have day number 3, which looks like that. Let's take a look at what is in here. So this is the Ulta Beauty Brow Gel. I am so excited about this product. I am going to be using all these products on my TikTok, just doing a little like full face using all these Ulta finds that came in this box. So there's a look at the brow gel. I really like the wand. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's like the perfect size. And again, I love the color of the packaging. So cute. Let's move on to day number 4, which looks like so. Let's take a look at what came in here. So this is their cream eyeshadow from Ulta Beauty. And this one here doesn't have a specific name to it, but look at how stunning that color is. It's like a rose gold kind of vibe. And there is a swatch of this cream shadow. I think that's such a beautiful addition to the box, and such a beautiful color as well. And on to day number 5, which looks like so. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it fell out. Ooh, okay, so this is the tinted lip oil, which looks like so. Look at how small this is. So cute. And again, this is a tinted lip oil, which honestly there's not much tint to it. From what you can see, it's like a very light color, but how stunning is this cute little packaging. I was obsessed with their like lip gloss It was like a lip gloss holiday set they came out with last year, which came with a bunch of lip glosses that look like this in the same kind of packaging. Profusion also has some lip glosses and liquid lipsticks in this packaging, which I also do own. I just love this packaging, but we did get a little mini size, and this is so cute. It looks like that. You don't really get a lot of product in here, but I think this is such a cute little addition. And again, I love the fact that the cover matches everything else. Next, we have day number 6, which looks like that. So let's take a look at what is in here. Ooh, okay, so this is another eyeshadow duo. So this one here is the Gleam and Shine Bright Duo. So let's take a look at the colors. There's a look at that one. You know what? I kind of like this duo a little more. So pretty. The blue and the other one is cute. It's just like, I don't know. It's not a Christmassy color to me. But this one here is so cute, very neutral, and it just goes with everything else that we've gotten in this advent calendar. Next, we have day number 7, which looks like that. So let's take a look at what we got in here. Ew, so this is an overnight lip mask. This is so exciting. Again, love that everything matches in this box of this advent calendar, and I just love the packaging of this product, and I love a good overnight lip balm, so I definitely cannot wait to try this out. Day number 8. Next, let's see what we got in here. Oh, ooh, okay, another baby product. So this is a lip gloss from Ulta Beauty. Super tiny little packaging, super cute color. Let's see how this swatches. So it is a pinky kind of lip gloss. There's a color there. We have 4 more days to go. Next, we have number 9, which looks like that, and it does come in a blue packaging. Ooh, yes, this one here I was excited about. So this is the mattifying face primer. Look at how adorable this packaging is and how teeny tiny it is. So basically you are getting a bunch of mini products or travel size products, sample products, but I think this is so adorable. Definitely take a look at the picture on the website if you want to see what exactly you get in here and to see if it's worth it. I honestly would be so excited if I got this for Christmas. All of these products look so just like so cute. Next, we have day number 10, which looks like that. Love this color. Oh, okay, so this is the highlight, and this one doesn't have a name to it, but it does come in the same packaging as the eyeshadow duos. There's a look at that highlight there. It is a champagne-y kind of moment, and there is a swatch of the highlight. So cute. Day number 11 looks like that, and this one did kind of rip on the top. So in here we did get a gel liner, which I'm so excited about. This is the black one here, and I just love that everything matches and is so adorable. This is like my perfect advent calendar, and this is actually a really cute size as well. So I'm gonna give you guys a swatch of that. It's not like the most black liner in the world, but it's definitely, you know, it's good. It's better than I expected. And lastly, we have day number 12, which is the last day of this advent calendar. Let's take a look at what we got in here. Oh yeah, this is the one that was like, oh, interesting. So we did get a little baby sponge. I think this is a cute addition to the advent calendar. I don't think we should have ended on this, but you know, it's cute. It's a vibe, and it's the same color as everything else in this advent calendar. Show you guys, everything is so cute and pink, and I love that everything is just like the same color. I love that. So we are going to be using all of this on TikTok, so definitely follow me over there if you want to see everything in action. And I'm definitely going to be updating you guys in empties videos and my makeup favorites videos and all of those types of videos on my channel, so definitely stick around if you want to see my thoughts on everything. But this is such a nice advent calendar, and I love everything that we got in here. I love pink, as you guys know, so yeah, I was so excited about this. So let me know if you're gonna be picking it up for someone or for yourself. I think this is so cute, so affordable. $20 for a bunch of cute pink products. I think it's a steal. So let me know again in the comments down below if you're going to be picking it up for yourself. And we made it to the end. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have both my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. If you could follow me there, that would be amazing. And it'd be so great if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.